This is how I came up with some of my queries. For this first one, I wanted to use quotation marks to filter out which clerk lived in Brooklyn. So I have Brooklyn under city and clerk under the job title in the criteria in quotation marks. We ran that and that came up to one employee who's a clerk that lives in Brooklyn. For the word codes, we wanted to sort the yes or no features, so we put that in the criteria. We left the check mark, and that can show you anything that fits that criteria. So sick time, vacation time. And for the work hours query, we used two features here. The first one that we used was greater than April 1st. Any dates worked greater than April 1st, more than 8 hours. That's the first filter that we used. And the second filter is we wanted to know the amount of overtime. So we subtracted the hours from 8, which will give you the overtime hours. And we're able to see actually both of these queries in one chart. We have the overtime work and any date over April 1st. Thank you.